Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Stash. Stash makes investing accessible, allowing you to begin with a small amount, sometimes as little as $5. You can invest in fractional shares of well-known companies or diversified exchange-traded funds, often called ETFs. This platform simplifies the process, helping you build a portfolio over time. It's designed for long-term growth, making it an easy method to potentially increase your wealth through consistent contributions and smart choices. One key way to make money on Stash is through fractional shares. This means you can own a small piece of a company like Apple or Amazon, even if you don't have enough to buy a full share. Stash also provides access to exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which are collections of many stocks or bonds. These ETFs are often themed, allowing you to invest in areas you care about, like technology or clean energy, providing instant diversification for your portfolio. To maximize your potential earnings, consider automating your investments. Setting up recurring deposits, even small amounts like $5 or $10 weekly, can lead to significant growth over the long term. Stash helps you diversify your portfolio by suggesting different investment options, which is crucial for managing risk. A well-diversified portfolio spreads your money across various assets, aiming to protect against market fluctuations and enhance your overall returns consistently. Making money on Stash is often a long-term strategy, benefiting greatly from the power of compounding. This means your earnings can start earning their own returns, accelerating your wealth accumulation over many years. Stash also offers banking features and cashback rewards, which can further contribute to your financial health. By consistently investing and utilizing the platform's tools, you can work towards achieving your financial goals and building a more secure future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.